Hello everyone and welcome to JoJo's Brick Time. This is the Lego Friends Surfer Beachfront set and I could not wait to get this. I just love the look of this set and look at it, it's actually really quite detailed and it has a little apartment. So everyone, let's take a look. This set got me excited with the colour scheme and I really wanted another ice cream shop because who doesn't love ice cream? Okay, we have the all-important instruction book and stickers and 7 bags in this set. Bag number 1 and I can see a guitar. Mia's holding onto a guitar and her puppy dog Toffee's here as well. Here she comes in her surfer car and look how cute it is. It looks sort of like the cat car at the front. These stickers are awesome and she's got all her stuff in the back. There's a comfy seat and off we go, Mia. Whoops, she's put it in reverse. Oh, there we go. Bag 2 and this is the start of the ice cream shop. Andrea's here showing off her new sandals and they look very fashionable. Here's the little ice cream shop with lots of colourful stickers and that's for the awning that I'll show you. And we have ice creams in the little cabinet and stickers inside again. There's 2 stools to put out the front here and a little table. And it's new piece, I haven't got this yet. It's the 2 circles joined together. And we have a little ice cream sign here. Here's the amazing awning and I love this technique that they've done. So simple, I don't know why I haven't thought of this before. Look how pretty that looks. Yes, Andrea, it will open soon. Okay, bag number 3. This is the upstairs area above the ice cream shop and we have a DJ deck here, spinning out some cool tunes. A table here with 2 soft serve ice creams already served up, yummy, and we need 2 comfy chairs to sit and relax up here. Here's a speaker so you can listen to the music when you're at the beach as well. Up we go. Oh, it looks awesome already. I love the ice cream in this set. Look at it. It looks too good. I need to eat it. We'll pop it on here. Here I am going to taste this ice cream. Yum! Umbrella time and it's going up here on the deck and whoops, the wind's blown it over. There we go, straighten it up. Time to fit out the shop and we have a little sink here and inside there is a little ice cream scoop. Look how cute that is. That goes here on the side. And we have a stand here with some jam or strawberry topping I think. And that cash register that I like the look of with some purple grapes going into the fridge. I've just realised I put the cash register around the wrong way. There we go, that's better. Yum, hot waffles. It's gonna be good and oh no, whipped cream in a can. And Mia couldn't resist buying an ice cream already for little Ava. Bag number 4. Here's the beach setup and look at the little waves here. I love that design and look, it looks like a love heart shape. We have a palm tree here. It looks a bit bent. Here's another smaller one, and look, that looks like my cat's tail off the car, except it's brown colour for a tree trunk on here. Here's a comfy pink beach chair, and look at it. I'm going to test that out later. Little table, and look at this gorgeous drink. Oh, it looks refreshing, and Ava wants to have a sample of it. Ava, it's bigger than you. The three-leafed plant, one of my faves going on here. And look, baby dolphin. Oh, you're so gorgeous. Oh no, and another cute thing, little baby turtle in the shell. Yes, Ava, give it a little pat. And look at this, it's a pearl in a clam shell. Oh, so much detail in this set. This is looking good on its own. Wow, I love it. Bag 5, and this is the start of the surf shop. Nana Nora, look at her. She's a hip looking Nana. I like her style. This is why I bought this set for you. Alright, say goodbye. Here is the surf shop, and look at these colours on it. I love it. These Technic pins are here to click the surf shop and the ice cream shop together. We have some more fancy stickers there, and I'm popping the cash register inside. We'll turn it around, and here is the other awning. This looks awesome in these colours, and see here they're squares instead of the scalloped edge, so make it look a little bit different. Nana Nora can't wait for her grand opening of the surf shop. And bag number 6, start of her apartment. This is so cute. I love all the details they've done here. And look, there's a sticker of her maybe holding Mia when she was little, and more decorations. So her apartment's a little small. That's a nice comfy looking couch. Her little oven and stovetop with a pretzel cooking away. A pot and pan will be hanging up above. Where's her sink though? She doesn't have a sink. I'm gonna have to change that. Here's a little stool or a little armchair going in, and a table with a beautiful vase and flower. Look, oh, and she has a very nice handbag. Oh, Nana Nora can't wait to try out her bed, couch. No, sorry Nana, you have to sleep sitting up in this apartment. Oh look, how beautiful is that? Final bag, bag number 7, and finishing touches. Oh, blue fish. Here's the rooftop garden area, and it has a chimney. I didn't see a fireplace in the apartment. Anyway, let's do the veggie garden up here. Oh my goodness, my very first watermelon like this. I love it. And some strawberries. And take a look at this watering can. Oh my goodness. Gorgeous. Nana Nora is watering her carrot that she's already plucked out of her garden. Now this is a stand for the surfboards for the surf shop. Here's a nice large paddle board that's going in front of the shop. And we have some sunglasses on a display and flippers going in here on the side. Here's a recycling sign for that green bin. And I have already made some of the leaves that are going on the side. Let's pop all the accessories in the shop. Oh, I didn't know the fish was going in the bin. Oh, hang on. Oh, dolphin's found its way to the fish. Okay, and I'll just pop some of these leaves up here on the side. Here's the paddleboard going on the front, so you know it's a surf shop. Oh my goodness, let's click these two together. Wow, more leaves. I think that's the last bit of the finishing touches. Wow, I love it. Here comes Mia with a car. Nana Nora's holding an ice cream for the Candy Mermaid. She's come to visit. Here's your ice cream, mermaid. Yay, yummy! I'm relaxing on the sun lounge, and my cat and the dolphin are trying to get the stinky fish out of the bin. The animals are taking surfing lessons, and Ava's on her one flipper, and we have the hip DJ Nana. The Lego Friends Surfer Beachfront set has 685 pieces, and I fell in love with this set as soon as I saw that it was coming out. It is so detailed inside, and it is so worth getting to put into your city. So I've actually purchased 2 of these because I want to modify it a little bit for my town. So everyone, get your bricks out, get building, and get creative. Like and subscribe.